This is the BONTHEE Clear Dog Cone Collar, extra long and transparent. This is in size medium. My dog weighs no more than 20 pounds. He is a terrier. And this feels like a much kinder version of the dreaded cone of shame. It is so clear, it is lightweight, and instantly the dog is not miserable when you put this on the dog. Okay, so what I liked the transparent design so you can see where it's going on the dog, okay? You can watch that you're not putting it on any areas that may need special attention. I like these soft round edges. I noticed it didn't dig into the neck for my pup or make raw spots when the dog was recovering. I also really like once it's made into a cone, I like this adjustable hook and loop closure, and that gives a little more security so there's no real wrestling match to get this off. When the dog has it on, you just tighten it up and clip it, okay? The extra long shape blocks licking and scratching without restricting the eating or the drinking. So easy to put on. I will demonstrate shortly. Easy to adjust because of the Velcro. Easy to wipe clean instead of, you know, smelling like dog stink. But the clearer material seems to lower the dog anxiety compared to that solid white vet cone. But I do highly recommend these if you have the need for a dog cone. The opinions in this review are mine based on my real testing of the product with my doggie. The product was provided by the brand.